Quiet eyes and ears. Shooter, step up to the barricade. Do you understand the course of fire?
Yeah.
Okay, you're clear to take a sight picture with an unloaded firearm, otherwise load and make ready.
Is this close enough or?
Whatever, yeah, as long as you're behind the barricade.
Okay.
Shooter, with your hands on the X's, indicate when ready.
Ready?
Shooter is ready, stand by. Now, slide back, forward, hammer down, and holster. Line is safe. 3743.
3743.
2 Alpha.
2 Alpha.
2 Alpha.
2 Alpha. Should I just keep writing alphas down?
Probably. 2 Alpha.
2 Alpha.
2 Alpha.
2 Alpha.
2 Alpha.
2 Alpha.
Damn, they didn't look that way.
2 Alpha.
2 Alpha.
2 Alpha.
2 Alpha.
Good shit, man.
Nice job.
Thank you.
They keep coming up.
Imagine what he'd be like with a real gun.
Yeah, yeah. He's pretty good with that girl gun. Oh, Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie. Now I don't know if I can add this up correctly.
And Alpha Bravo.
Oh, and then
And then 2 Alpha.
2 Alpha. Oh.